And what was interesting is because we had the big wave of rain move through and then temperatures shot up, and I was talking to Justin Horn. He goes, all the rain moved, but then more developed in behind it. So a lot of us that didn't see rain the previous day didn't miss out on it. Now, as far as what's going to be happening later on in the weekend, that's what's going on down there in the southern Gulf of Mexico and the Bay of Campeche. That in 1 second. But I mean, you look at radar right now, there's nothing showing up on radar as of right now. We may see a couple of showers later on. This rain here along the coast arguably is the very, very, very northern edge of this system down here in the Gulf of Mexico. It is tropical depression. Sorry, I've got some graphics on top of each other, but tropical depression number 22, 35-mile-per-hour winds, becomes at 39, it would become tropical storm Wilfred. And this is the enhanced satellite picture, so it just shows the higher cloud tops, and as you can see, it's got a fairly good shape to it, and some of these clouds being pushed out ahead of it there, and that's why we've got some of that rain right there along the coast. Like I said, arguably being pushed out ahead of the storm and associated with it, and it is going to continue to work its way up to the north. This is throughout the day tomorrow. Then as we get in toward later on the weekend, it's going to make a kind of a dogleg turn to the west. Now, this is the cone of uncertainty, and this does not mean that's the center of the path. That means anywhere from Louisiana down in toward Mexico is where this thing could go. So it is not set in stone in any way, shape, or form. As it looks right now, we're going to start to see some rain from it by probably late in the afternoon on Sunday. There's going to be a lot more going on, and the forecast will definitely be updating as time goes on. We're at 72 degrees right now, mid-60s parts of the hill country. Not bad when you step outside. Mold, fall elm, ragweed are all on the moderate side, and I think we're dropping down a couple of more degrees in the morning. 70 this morning, and then later on this afternoon, 90, partly cloudy. Couple of showers are possible, not very likely though, and wind out of the northeast about 10-15, kind of breezy at times. Gorgeous tomorrow. More on what may happen into next week coming up. Time saver traffic right now.